Go.
So today we're going to be solving a problem about vegetable gardens. So we want to find which of these two vegetable gardens that I'm going to draw is bigger and by how much. So the first garden is Carl's vegetable garden. And so what I'm going to do is draw it out in this paper, and I'm going to pretend that each side of each square equals 5. So I'm going to count by 5s. So Carl's vegetable garden is 20 feet by 35 feet. So first I'm going to count out 20 feet. 5, 10, 15, 20 by 35 feet. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And then, so we can remember which one is Carl's, I'm going to put it in green. This is Carl's. Okay, now we're going to draw out McKenna's vegetable garden. So McKenna's is 25 feet, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, by 30 feet, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And I'm going to draw hers in yellow. So now that we have both of them drawn out, we need to find out which one is bigger. So a way that I can do this is just by counting each of my squares. So for McKenna, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 squares. Wow, that was a lot. So for Carl, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So now, since Carl only has 28 squares, McKenna has 30, we know that McKenna's garden is larger, so now we just have to figure out by how much. So McKenna has 2 extra squares more than Carl. So what we need to do is figure out what the area of these 2 squares is to find out how much more area McKenna has. So I'm going to draw them down here again and pretend they're the same squares just to make it a little simpler. So if each side of these squares is 5, we know that this side right here is 5, and these 2 right here are 5 each, so they're 10 altogether for both these squares. And so to find area, I know I can do the formula of length times width. So I'm going to do that for this one and do 5 times 10 equals 50. So now we know that McKenna's garden is larger, and it's larger by 50 square feet.